water, babe. Hindi yan din yung sa isa. Yan yung pang water niya yun. Yung... Kasi take na ano niya. Huwag lang. May uhog na naman. Tayo. Ayaw kasi magpasipsip ng uhog. Oo, ate. Action!
I felt like specifically in terms of there isn't a lot of media. And there's not a lot of influencer attention. That's where I was coming from. I kind of felt like there were a lot of influencers that were not present at the Met Palace. Now we did have like had Lily Singh, but I feel like
Huwag ka nang umiyak. Love ka ni mama. Love ka ni mama, ha? Kakain na si mama, ha? Galit ako sa... Ay, nako. Naiiyak po si Marcela. Iyak po nang iyak. Di na iiyak, Ay, naku, susumukot na kay Papa. Huwag na iiyak. Dito na tayo.